Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of the change engine oil soon light on your truck. I've been getting this notification as well as on the Ford Pass on my phone. It's telling me to change engine oil soon. So essentially what happens is when you go to service your truck at a actual Ford dealership, they will always reset the engine oil for you. The last time that I went and did it, I went to just like one of those Valvoline, Jiffy Lube type places or whatever. They did not reset the engine oil light, so I'm going to walk you guys through how to do that right now. So the first thing you'll do is you'll come over here and you'll press the OK button on the left hand side of the steering wheel. That will remove the notification that we were seeing there earlier. You will press the left hand side button to bring up the menu on your console. So we press that there, and as you can see, we're looking at all of our different options right now. So what you want to do is you want to press the down arrow to get to settings on the bottom. You will press the right arrow, or I believe you can press OK to bring up the settings. Scroll down to advanced settings. Go ahead and do that. And we're going to be using the vehicle part right there. So we'll select vehicle. And now there's a bunch of different options here that you can do. Honestly, I could probably make a video on every single one of these, but essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll down to oil life reset. You're gonna go ahead and select that. Right now it says that I only have 5% oil life. I know that's inaccurate because I just had mine changed. Since the oil change, I've probably only put, give or take, 100 or 200 miles on this truck. So I feel comfortable resetting this. And then I know that next time I need to have mine serviced, I've got my little reminder sticker up here for when to go do it. So I still have a reminder. But to reset this guy, all you'll have to do is press and hold the OK button. There's a little message down at the bottom, hold OK to reset. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Press and hold the OK button. And now we have reset it to 100%. So now, in theory, when we turn the truck off, let's go ahead and open and close the door. So now in theory, when you go to turn the truck back on, that notification should not be there anymore. So let's take these and turn it back on. Go Ford Tough, all that good stuff. Sweet, oil life, I love that. Let's go back to the very beginning. Display mode. And as you can see, we no longer have that notification. So hopefully this video helped you all out. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you.